Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How perfect would it be to be able to generate your presentation just by following some few steps? Well, in this video, I'll teach you how to generate your presentation just by typing in some few words in ChatGPT. Follow through to the end of this video to even make it more interactive. As usual, my name is Nasif and I make tutorial videos on productivity software tools to help you become more efficient at work. Kindly subscribe, like, and click the notification button to get notified whenever I post a new video. Without much ado, let's begin. So first of all, you have to log in. If you don't have an account, you sign up. I'll log in now, and then so I'm using my account to log in. So I'm in ChatGPT now. What I'll do is I would enter in some few words called prompts, and then I would use it to generate. So what I'm saying is that I want you to generate. So what I'm actually telling ChatGPT to do is I want you to write a VBA code for PowerPoint presentation about how AI can change our educational system and how to protect humans from its effects. You are to fill in all the text with your own knowledge and suggest an AI image to use in the presentation. The background should be blue. I'm changing it to blue. Yes, the background should be blue, and I need one slide. So I would click here and then see what it generates. Okay, so far our code is looking good, and if you have even more explanation to the code being generated. So I'll copy the code and then I'll bring it to my PowerPoint. So what I'll do is, this is an image that I generated previously, so I'll bring it here and then I'll click on view and then I'll type in anything that I want, and then it brings me to this place. So what I'll do is the code that I copied, I'll paste it here, and then I'll change some few things. So what I'll change is the path where it needs to be saved. My PowerPoint needs to be saved. So I'll come here. I have a path to my desktop in a folder. So I'll click here and then I'll copy from here and then replace it with the code I have. Yes. So I replace it with the code that I have, and then I would also come to my images. I have another image here, path. That's the image path. So I'll copy it and then I'll paste it here. So this is exactly what I downloaded in my So this is a path to my image that is inside my documents, and then yes, these are my documents. So what I'll do is I'll click here to run it. So now it's being saved. I'll come back here and then we have presentation dot. So this is what I mean here. Yes, so it's able to generate for us. Our only problem is that because it's AI, it doesn't have the knowledge to really put things at the right place. So you have to do it for yourself. Yes, so this is what we have. If you don't like the background, you just go back here, the design, and then you can change it to whatever design you want. Yes, so I can change it to whatever design I want and then change this back. Yes, so now we have our image, our AI generated presentation. So thank you for watching. I hope this helps in your future projects. Thank you, and see you in our next one.